So outside here, and today I'll be doing an HO scale train haul video. Okay guys, so for the beginning, I will be doing the track, which is the important part. So here I got a HO scale Bachmann 4-piece track, and I'll also do some unboxing. So it was sloppy, but fine. So here, I think these are 3 inches long each, and there's 4 of them. So 3 of these will make your normal straight piece, and just add one of those that will make a 1 3/4 of a regular track. So that's that. So now, next week the track that we'll be doing is the Bachmann HO scale 18 radius curves. I'm gonna be running 18 radius curves because the 18 radius curves can handle 4-axle locomotives, but not 6-axle. So that's not the best, but it's cheaper. Okay, so over here, 3 of these in total will make one half of a, well no, 1/4 of a loop. And there's another one, that and that just fell. The next thing is we're gonna go for, this is one of the normal straights for it. It's a Bachmann HO scale again. It's an easy track, so this one. That's done, and you get 4 of these tracks in one track. I don't know if I should get another one or not, but that's just all 4. Next train track. Next train track we have is a power / rear. So basically, this is a power point, rear-railer, and also a road crossing, 3 at the same time. And with the way I'm doing it, which is a 4x8, I will need I'll need a lot of, not 6 or 8 power points for the electricity to get all the way through. That'll be fun. So here's the track right there. I have another one of these tracks in my layout right now. The cable wiring. Next one is a right-hand switch. This is a DC, but I have DCC, and I have to say DCC locomotives can run on this, but it's just a little bit choppy. Hard to get out of the packaging. Just gonna try my hardest for so I don't break it. Some stuff to be said is, so here is the right hand switch track. I'll give you a view. It's a nice one. You could either control it by this lever right there, or you could hook it up to your Boxcar controller and use this right here and plug those in. There's also some screws right here, so then with these there's 2 holes right there. Put these screws there, put it on somewhere on the table your layout. And then the last of all tracks is the right hand switch again. Something pretty big. So here's the same one, just all the same stuff for this track. Okay, so now we're done with the track, and next thing we'll be doing, this will be unpacking all the scenery, train things, and all that stuff like that. First things first, I got an internet harvester Pharma. To think it's a 4-bottom plow and a 4-row seeder. I got at the hobby store. So back to that. Maybe be careful with this one so I don't lose anything. Or my dog does not eat anything, which is good. Okay, so it's taking a little bit longer to open up mainly because I don't want to destroy this thing. Okay, so here's the plow. Set that aside right there. And here's the seeder. It looks like an old 4-row dash. We'll see. Focus, it's not focusing. Add to that, this is made by Maze Walther Scenics. They got, you guys have seen my new video. I posted of my first one driving by myself in Pharma H. These do look like Pharma H's, so not surprised if they are. Okay, done. And so one of these actually does have a broken wheel on it, so I'm gonna have to keep one of these in the packaging so then I don't lose it. I'll just be taking out one for looking at. Okay, so here is the Pharma H right there, and as you can see, the one I got, a wheel just broke off when I was just grabbing it to put it on the side. So now, look at that. Tractor's wheel's broken. Now I have to get this thing all glued, which is not very happy about that. But now, all that side of that, so that's going on with that stuff now. So not that happy about that happening, but for this one, I'm not going to open this one up because there's a bunch of little cow stuff. Got that. Got this Ford F-150. It's an Atlas HO scale. Trunk opens up. Trunk opens down and up. I think the doors actually do open. Wheels turn and all that, so there you go, tracks right over there. Next thing is no glue, and you'll see why I have this glue for a reason. And so first things first, I got a Walthern barn, and that's what the tractors in the Ford F-150s need to be used for. Got this barn, which is good. And then next one I have, you'll be seeing videos too, hopefully videos of me making these. The next one is a factory and mill. It says Farmers Co-op Rural Elevator, model in 4 different colors in clear plastic. So that's one of my industries. I'm gonna have 2 industries and a two rail, 2 siding. I don't know. 2 track yards. The next one is a HO Skill Union Pacific 50-foot boxcar. I think that's how it is. Unpack that. Got your normal case and all that. Pile. Your normal warranty. Yeah. And well, next things first. Unpacking this. It's a nice boxcar. Has kid couplers, idle wheels, no sliding doors. I really do, one of these days, want to get a refrigerating unit. I think this might actually be one of those old. What is it? Yeah, it's not. I thought it was one of those older style reefer cars. So that's all for that. Yes, you guys should see a new video for other stuff. For a review on just mainly the thing I want to say with the tractors, which I'm not very happy about, is this one. Wheel came off. Then came with the wheel, you know that's gonna be easy to fix and all that. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be easy to fix and all that. Yeah, so I'm not very happy with that. But it's not the end of the world like everyone says. It's not the end of the world. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. So that's all for that today. So that's really everything that I have. I'm probably gonna do a layout video of putting all the stuff on the layout. It's on the floor right now. Put the stuff on the layout. When the boxcar drives and trains. You might see the 2 videos of me making these. I might not actually just do video for them. And you might see some of these on my testing layout, but it's gonna be a little bit while until I get the layout table, because it's Minnesota. There's snow outside, and our trailer's in the backyard, so that's not good. So we're gonna have to go out there later on and get it. So that's all for this YouTube video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Please like and subscribe if you have time. And that's all for the video. So see ya.